Now talking business, the Supreme Court has nullified the National Lottery Act 2005 enacted by the National Assembly. The judgment followed the suit filed in 2008 by Lagos and some other states. Ruling on the matter, the Apex Court held that the National Assembly lacked the powers to legislate on issues relating to lottery and games. In a unanimous judgment, a 7-member panel of the Apex Court held that such powers only reside with the State Houses of Assembly, which possesses exclusive jurisdiction over lottery and related issues. In the lead judgment by Justice Mohammed Idris, the Supreme Court resolved that lottery or games of chance is not one of the items on the exclusive legislative list contained in the Constitution, in respect of which the National Assembly has the powers to make laws for the whole of the country, and proceeded to issue an order nullifying the entirety of the National Lottery Act. Justice Idris also issued an order of perpetual injunction restraining the first defendant, that is the Attorney General of the Federation, either by himself or his agents or any other agency of the federal government, from implementing the provisions of the National Lottery Act within the territories of the plaintiff states. Now to matters of MSMEs and funding. The Bank of Industry says it has raised more than $5 billion and plans to disburse 120 billion naira in support of 2 million MSMEs. Managing Director of the Bank of Industry, Dr. Olasupo Lucy, says the funds were secured through Eurobond loans, syndications, and green finance instruments. He noted that in November 2023, the bank raised not less than 2 billion euros, marking the largest fundraising in the history of African development finance institutions. He says part of the funds will go into financing 2 million micro, small, and medium enterprises by the end of the year.
And I want to assure you and Nigerians in general that we will continue to engage to ensure that this country grows, this country creates jobs, and this country becomes more productive. It is very important.
She explained that despite an initial target of 103 billion for 1.5 million MSMEs, in 2024 the bank had already exceeded its goal. Under the Presidential Grant and Loan Scheme, more than 700,000 people have benefited from the scheme, while disbursement to more than 200,000 applicants is still ongoing. Now, Nigeria experts in information and communications technology are advocating robust data and cyber